This is how to find a drug for dysrhythmia. Open a web browser and go to www.drugbank.ca and then just search, type arrhythmias. Make it in the plural. Click enter. And you then have a list of drugs, 103 of them, which are all involved in arrhythmias on one form or another. But bear in mind that a lot of them are not actually for arrhythmias. So, for example, this, you'll notice here that where it's matched it is that it says due to the risk of cardiac arrhythmias and overdose, it's not being used so much. So that's not about arrhythmias. So if we just go back and pick one, here we can see vernaculant was developed by Cardium Pharma as an antiarrhythmic drug. So what you would do is look at this and see if you can find anywhere here the targets. So here we have under pharmacodynamics. So when you come to fill in your wiki, name of drug here would be vernaculant. The target, so here there are several of them, blocks currents in all phases of atrial action. Don't just copy and paste it in here, rephrase it in your own words. The best way to learn would be to read this, to understand it, and then without going back again, just type in here under target what the answer is. And then the other thing I want to know is its mode of action, how it works. That's given under mechanism of action. So again, don't copy and paste, don't just re-edit it, understand it, and then from your own mind write in here how it works. Other drugs acting on this target, well, you can simply try to find drugs acting on sodium currents or potassium channels. That might take a bit more research. And then side effects, you might have some down here. So adverse effects, might not be able to follow this. Yeah, we have to pay for that. So you can just simply side effects. Vernaculant. Might not be any because it's an experimental drug. There we go. We can find something in PubMed. And then just write any notes as you see fit.